Hi everyone, and welcome to I Have Like Couponers. So you're reading this right. It is a CVS haul. I know so many of you have been wanting CVS. Like I did the Black Friday preview, and so many of you are like, yes, you've got to do CVS. So I went, and I'm really happy with it. It's been a year since I've shopped, and I just got some great deals, and I actually had a bunch of stock on stuff, which I couldn't even believe. Because Rite Aid here, where I'm at, gets hit like crazy with shoppers, which I looked out today too. I did just about everything I wanted over there, but CVS had it going on with the stock. I was really excited. So this is a moneymaker transaction. If you haven't seen my Rite Aid video, go check that out because there are some great deals over at Rite Aid. I actually had more at Rite Aid than CVS. But that's what I told someone here who commented, Red's Gal 21 Cincy. She said, take it slow starting out. You don't have to do enormous hauls every week. And I was just like, I'm gonna just take it slow this week and just get it going. And it's such a great haul. I'm so excited about CVS. And I'm excited to be back into it. Well, I used to kill it at CVS. Like every week, I knew all the ins and outs of that store and just like where everything was and how to get the best deals. And things just started like, I don't know, they just kind of started changing a little bit. And I just quit going to CVS. And the computer started acting up and all that. But I'm going to do it again, at least for now. No guarantees of how long CVS is going to last. But I am getting back into it for the time being. And I must say, this is a good haul today. So, first up, shout out. I saw this. I know Smooch the Cook, Amy Stotts, told me about this. I saw it on iHeartCVS. I've seen it a lot of places. The CoverGirl, these are $4.67 around here. Or no, $4.69. $4.69. I had $3 off coupons from an insert from a couple weeks ago. I will do an inslate here. After I explain the deal, I will show a typed up little breakdown thing that'll have the insert date. So I used 2 of those coupons, and I got back $5 in extra bucks for buying 2. So I paid $1.67 for each of them. So it was like $3.40, and I got back $5 in extra bucks, making it a really good money maker. That was phenomenal. I really enjoyed that one. All right, the American greeting cards. This is another good one. These are 99 cents, and in my ad, when you buy 3, you get a $2 extra buck back. And these were 99 cents. So it made it $1 for 3 greeting cards. Phenomenal deal. I'll take that any day. And it ended up being better, and I'll explain how. I did get the Colgate Advanced. It has to be the advanced kind at my store. If you can't find it in the aisle, they had a huge end cap display with all these advanced toothpastes. These are $3.49. I used $2 coupons from yesterday's inserts, so I paid $1.49 each, and I got back a $2 ECB for each of them. At CVS, they just bundle your extra bucks together, so I got back $4 for buying these 2, and that deal has a limit too. CoverGirl's a limited 1, and the cards are a limit 1. So in the end, after everything, this was all like a moneymaker, like a $2 moneymaker, but you'll never guess what printed off on my receipt. $3 off your next purchase at CVS. So this is like, I'm treating this like an extra buck. Like they gave me $3. It's only good till next Monday. So I've got to figure out a way to use it, probably on Sunday. But man, this was just awesome. I couldn't believe they printed that off. So I paid out of my pocket at CVS $4.74. Now, if you're just starting out this week, you would have paid $10.74. Because I had Fetch Rewards referral gift cards. You guys are awesome. Have given me Fetch referrals. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to take these Fetch referrals, get $6 of CVS gift cards, and I'm going to go and do CVS for y'all. So you can see something a little bit different. And that's just my way of saying thank you so much for using that code. I really, really appreciate it. So I used $6 of Fetch referral gift cards, and you could do that too if you use Fetch and have the points. So I paid $4.74 out of pocket. I got back $5. I got back $4. I got back 2, and I got back 3. So even if you paid the $10.74, you're getting back $11. So it's already a freebie. If you get this extra $3, you're looking at a huge moneymaker here at CVS. So really great day. It was so much fun to be back at CVS again, and let me know what you think if I missed anything. I know people were talking about the Thermacare. I started with $7.49, so I just decided to do it over at Walmart instead because I just didn't really feel like paying that much out of pocket at CVS because it didn't feel like rolling my extra bucks and doing a bunch of little transactions. I just was rather spend the money out today, and I didn't go back in. I didn't even notice this until I left. So I didn't do the Thermacare, but you could do that. It's a $2 extra buck, a $2 savings start, a $2 Ibotta, and a $2 ECB back. So it ends up making it, and the $2 coupons, it ends up making it a little bit of a moneymaker over at CVS, which is awesome. It's also a freebie over at Walmart, and you'll hear about that in my Walmart video. Show you my Rite Aid haul from today. If you haven't already, it was a really great time. Rite Aid is good too. Don't just think CVS is the only thing. I actually got more stuff at Rite Aid. And then Walmart. I did a Walmart video also. So check those out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.